be a research, going to be a research, then we have to be a tool, developed a tool, and it should be verified and validified and reliability also.
Yeah.
Can how we check the validity and reliability of a tool?
Now you see,
Thank you,
tools,
sir.
what my knowledge is concerned, tools mean what I spoke, that is soft tools and hard tools. You know, for research,
Yeah.
we take the support of the hard tools. I mean, the computer, I mean, laptop, all the hard surface having the tools. And soft tools means the knowledge and skills. You take the support of the SPSS, Java, like these things, all the statistical methods. These are, and the soft tools means taking the work to collect the data. We are taking some scholars are taking the collection of data as the tools, isn't it? In some disciplines,
Yeah.
the researchers taking collection of data, interpretation also taking as a tools. Now we see the validation. Who will give the validation? As the computer, if camera, if I mean your pen, pencil, who will give the validation? Whether it is properly function or not. Here, when you are taking the support of SPSS or Java, who will give you support? Clear. When you are taking the support of your, I mean any software that is security software, Quick or 7K like this, who will take? The company will give. Clear. Hence, who is the master of your research? You are the master of your research. You are the master of your research because you are going to use these tools. So you have to validate these tools whether these tools are functioning properly or not. When the software tools is concerned, whether you are capable to handle the questionnaire method or interview method, you have to develop that tool. Because when we are going to collect data, we are going to fill either having structured questionnaire or unstructured questionnaire. You have to develop, you have to examine yourself, you have to validate yourself whether you are capable to prepare structured questionnaire or structured interview, or you are more capable to collect data through unstructured questionnaire or unstructured interview methods. Clear? Because you are the master of your own research. Clear? Only guide or others, friends are only support you. Only support you. But you have to examine, you have to improve your tools. So I talk to you. Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible.
I listen to you.
Hello? You have to examine yourself what type of tools you are going to use for your research, and these tools are capable by you to use. Just you validate yourself. This is my personal view. Clear? Nobody, no system is there to validate your tools. Who will give validation?
Okay, sir.
And Bidhanji, I would like to also I think Bidhan, which one is your discipline? That Bidhanji, what is your discipline? That is, you are in social science research or you are in the science or technology research?
My education is discipline.
Education
discipline.
Education, no? Yes, I am getting that.
No, I am asking Bidhan,
you see,
I am from West Bengal, sir.
Yes, yes.
I am from West Bengal.
Okay, I'm asking.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yes, I'm getting. Bidhan, I would like to share with you that choosing the instrumentation, that is the instrumental tool or the research tool, is very, very important. From my side, I am also adding, which Professor Nayak sir, that about the validity, like that if someone is using one camera, for example, the hardware I am saying about that you are using the camera. Which camera, which model you are using? You have to mention it whenever you are writing the research paper in a good journal. For example, if science student doing the research, he is doing the material analysis. That is, he will take the image, he will use one camera to see the electron pictures. That is, he can use the scanning electron microscope or HRTEM, high resolution transmission electron microscopy. In that case also, we need to mention the model number. That is important.
Yeah.
So it is true that you can choose one particular tool for your research, like it in education. Now, for you are going for which type of data collection, it is also important. That is whether you are interested for primary data collection or you want to go for a secondary data collection. Whether you would like to go with the questionnaire or you would like to go with the case study. So according to your research, that is according to your research design, you have to adopt one tool and you should go through the training of the using that tool. I'm telling you, because we are say giving the training of the different software in different time with the scholars or even the professors. They are working in university. They need to understand that this tool, we need one. We need this software because we have to use that one. So as per demand of your research, you can take the software and you have to discuss with the particular expert of that software that whether I can go for with this software, whether I can find out this result or not. So it is important. Yes, and thanking you for your question. I think that we have already discussed.
Thank you.
We'll go with the new one. Thank you, Vidya.
Thank you. Bye.
And validity or your concern, a tool will be checked some panel expert pilot study as per my knowledge. Yes. Then write about the tools in research report. We do not mention about the hardware tools. Why? Okay, I think that Matthew sir is mentioning here one question. I would like to